What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wicked Garage. You can see we are continuing the build series on this grain body. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share. And let's get right into it. So you can see we have this on a lower set of jack stands. We are working on getting the posts all installed. We have them all cut right here. We were going to do something a little bit different, but we're actually going to cut them all the same size. So I got to cut these two down to the 40-inch for the walls, and then we can pretty much start assembling this together. But before we do that, we have a few other things we got to do. Now, tubing, as you know, when you close off a space, it sweats. To prevent anything from happening, from water getting in there and then or building up and then expanding and putting pressure on the pipes or the tubing or anything like that, we're actually going to drill holes. They're just little breather holes, and we're going to drill them over every single post so that they can all breathe. And then we will put some holes underneath this entire tubing so that that can breathe as well, so we don't have any water buildup or anything like that. All right, guys, got a lot done today. You can see we got the sides up, we got the headache rack up, and we put some braces to keep it square, measured, you know, from corner to corner, side to side, and made sure everything was where it needed to be. But it's looking really good. We're gonna come in tomorrow, weld up all of the posts so that they're all done. Alright guys, a little update on the bed. As you can see, we got the headache rack in. We are getting the stitches welded in, and we're just going to keep going around, fully weld everything out, but allowing that time to cool down. And then same with the side. We got this all in, as well as we just put this sheet up, but we have to do our final adjustments with some of the pry bars and such, but it's coming together, and then it's just a matter of welding everything. The inside is all fully welded. We welded all the seams all the way around, and then obviously the outside we welded. Took a lot longer because obviously we're doing a lot of welding, so we have to keep the heat to a minimal. So we've been jumping around, as you've seen in the video, and making sure nothing pretty much gets too hot, as well as letting our gun cool down, because that does get hot as well. But other than that, we're in good shape. It's looking good. The next step is to clean everything up, get everything all cleaned up. Anything that needs to like touch up welds or what have you, we'll pretty much finish, and then get this all done, lift it up, set it up over there for paint, and then probably get to that painting on Tuesday, I would say. Depending on how tomorrow goes. Today's Saturday, so I might come tomorrow and just sort of grind and clean everything up, but we will see. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next part of the Grain Series build. Peace out.